Hey Internet, Bill from Bill Louden Science here, and today I'm going to show you a cool paper helicopter that I can explain in the span of just one breath. Here we go. For this, you'll need paper, scissors, a business card, a pencil, a paper clip, and a ruler is optional. First, trace the business card onto a piece of paper and carefully cut out the rectangle. Next, make about a 1-inch cut into the short end of the paper. Turn the rectangle the tall way and cut in from the sides towards the base of the flaps you just cut, but don't cut all the way to the center or the flaps will fall off. Roll on the sides, crease, and secure with a paper clip. Fold down one flap one way, turn, and fold the other flap the other way. When it falls, the flaps will encounter air resistance, which will push the corners up, causing the paper to rotate. Hold it by the paper clip, throw it in the air, have fun, and repeat. Cool, right?